Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare a very easy and simple breakfast recipe, that is cheese toast. So to prepare this recipe, ingredients that we require are I have taken 4 slices of bread. These are the normal bread slices that we get every day at home. I've taken 1 cheese slice and I have divided them into 4 pieces. As you can see, 1 cheese slice divided into 4 pieces. Butter, this is oregano, this is chili flake. So little bit just to spread and give it a flavor. So now let's get started. So the first step is I'm going to apply the butter on this bread. Just roughly apply the butter on the bread slices. So here I have applied butter on all the 4 bread slices. Next I will take this oregano and I'll sprinkle it. Just little only to give the flavor. And the chili flakes. And now I'll place the cheese. Cover it like this, and then again same goes with this. And then we'll apply butter on one side now. Just roughly apply butter. So now I have heated one tawa here and I will take the bread slices. Sorry, I'll take the bread slices. The side where I have put butter, I'll turn it and put it towards the tawa. And then on the other side, I'm going to apply again the butter roughly. Just roughly apply the butter. And flip it. We'll cook on both the sides till it becomes nicely golden. Now as you can see, both the sides have become nice and brown. So I will take it out from the tawa. Put off the flame. So I have cut it into half like this. As you can see, the cheese has melted inside. You can add one full cheese in one toast only. As you can see. So here is our yummy cheese toast ready. Isn't it super easy, friends? All the cheese lovers will definitely like this recipe. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.